What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your trunk clutch actuator and how to open it if it's broken from inside. So first of all, if it's broken and it's not working, to open it you need to remove this cover and you're gonna be able to open it from inside of your car. I'm gonna show you in a second. So this is the tools that you guys gonna need: 10mm and the flathead screwdriver. Step number one is to remove two covers. Remove those two covers, remove two 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, I mean 4 bolts. So remove those 4 bolts. Now you can pull your panel out. Be gentle, gently just pull it. There is few clips, maybe 10 of them. Remove those clips. Now using 10mm, remove 3 bolts. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can pull your latch out, disconnect it, install it, blah blah blah, you got it. Now if your car is locked, this is how simple to open it. In order, so let's pretend it's locked. Yes, just like that. Okay, so remove that cover and you're gonna be able to see the latch. Now you need to remove this cover and lift this latch. That's how you open. And one more time guys, so you can see better. This is locked. As you can see, there is little lever. Just move it and you're gonna be able to open it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.